America the beautiful. Buffalo jerky.
Oh yeah, I forgot it was buffalo. No, it's not buffalo, it's bison. You know there aren't actually buffalo in the United States?
Why do we call it buffalo?
Well, come on.
Well, buffalo dip.
No. Arches National Park, listening the road. Oh, there's a sign.
Oh, model status.
Well, it's got 2 entrances. Hello, doggy.
Hi. Hi, puppy. Hi, I'm Madison, and that incredible singer was my husband, iVEN. We're experiencing new places, cultures, people, things, and foods whenever possible in an effort to learn, grow, and be open-minded people. This is the Experiencer Project. Last week, we were in Canyonlands where iVEN spoke to animals and we learned I need to wear sunscreen in this desert no matter how little time we're actually outside. This week, we're exploring Arches National Park. The courthouse towers viewpoint. I don't really know what
I think the viewpoint is that much of.
Oh. Here you go. Happy birthday.
USA.
Oh, happy birthday, USA.
We just see it right here. Yeah, that's pretty. Get some good solar panels.
Good job for power supply. Solar bed.
This is beautiful.
Heisman. Do the Heisman post. No.
Where are you?
Windows.
That's not a window. That's a rock.
Hey, iVEN.
Oh.
I thought you would say okay.
Okay.
Okay, let's try that. How are you doing, iVEN?
Okay.
Okay. Okay. You're funny.
That's funny.
Recording.
Sweet. It said we need 4 gallons each for every hour we're out.
Is that what it says?
No,
I don't
that'd be
know.
insane.
I don't know. We're in the desert. Let's go. Look at this. Look at this setup.
Look at this house. Wait, wasn't that the guy that named everything at Canyonlands?
I think so. Why did we pay for a campsite for 2 nights?
Do you think that kid really knows what Nirvana is? It's on her t-shirt.
No.
Because I barely know what Nirvana is. Like, that was kind of the edge of our music generation.
You just think it's a cool shirt.
It is a cool shirt.
Is that Papa's even a thing anymore? For kids that age?
I think the trend moved towards like skater stuff, like zoomies and Vans. I keep forgetting that like wherever I look, the camera looks, so I looked at my hand.
I'm already tired. Here, have some. Well, we're not passing people.
Oh yeah, I gotta take this off.
GoPro people. I was gonna wait. I've been up at 5 a.m. to do this hike. And instead we're doing it at 6 p.m.
Hash brown McGriddle. Those two, you can make a good breakfast out of.
Yes, we know.
Yeah, some of these people are planning on giving up. They have no water.
We have one bottle.
Yeah, it's already out.
Was it already out?
I think so.
Oh my gosh.
Like mostly out.
Oh Lord. People be crazy.
I wonder if people think I'm super outdoorsy because of my awesome tan.
Your awesome tan.
Yeah. Look, cars.
That's always motivating. When you see how far away your car is. Elevation wise, we are over halfway.
Nice.
280 feet elevation gain. Wow. You can barely see the cars. You know, for a trail that said it doesn't have shade, it's a decent amount of shade. About a mile in. Let's go. Shade, sit, drink water. Go again, shade, sit, drink water. But we're getting really close. Because yeah, it's this narrow cliff face. This was the other really hard part that they talked about because it's so narrow and scary.
Not far.
Okay. Yes.
Walked all this way for a rock.
That's just it, don't I? That's the one I was talking about too. Want to climb it? Wow. Oh, it's gonna make for. That was perfect. Oh gosh. We at least saw the arch. Almost to where it opens up. Land of enchantment. Got our nice chill resting spot. Petroglyphs this way. Only thought we were done hiking. Look at the car. We're so close. Yet so far. This is awesome. Wow. Did we even notice this creek earlier? One last detour.
We are finished with the delicate arch hike.
Oh, it was very nice at the end. No, it was a sweaty hike. It was good.
Yeah. Yeah, it wasn't as bad as I expected it to be based on kind of what the park writes. It said absolutely no shade, and we were able to find patches of it. And then by the time we headed back, I mean, you can see that it's dark-ish. So we were able to make it down and be completely in the shade, which was awesome. Definitely didn't push us to the limits that I expected it to. Like, I brought 2 whole camelback bladders, and I meant to bring a bunch of snacks, and there were people that were doing it in gladiator sandals, and one guy broke his shoe, so I guess he did it without a shoe on the way down.
Yeah, on the way down was great.
That was so
it was
nice.
like a stroll down the hill. It's really the temperature you gotta watch out for.
Yeah. The people that were doing it, I mean, I don't know if they're gonna summit before the sun is completely set, but the people that were starting right now in the darkness, I mean, that seemed like it would be a breeze.
The view is worth it, even if you're not a hiker.
Yeah. That's coming from you, that means a lot.
Everything was closed because we finished our hike at 10. This is our dinner.
I'm not complaining.
You have been talking about McDonald's all day. Hello, Garage. Get a load of this.
I smell the chocolate already.
That's cool.
Perfect.
Landscape. Gross.
Made it. Landscape art. That would help us out for a minute. And now it is very much sunny again.
No clouds. Dark.
My sunburn. It's not really the best.
I just showed the GoPro my watch face, so everyone's gonna know how out of shape I am now.